Hello and welcome to the Daily Self Love Podcast. I'm your host, CS Neha Bajaj. And today, let's learn the 3 golden lessons. First, leave people where they are at. If someone wants to grow in their life, if someone wants to really add up to something in their life, they themselves would take that first step, But then unless and until someone is not keen to take that step, I'm sorry to say, but you cannot help that person. So even if you really want to help them, the only outcome, the only result that is going to be in front of you is all wastage of time. Wastage of your energy, wastage of your time, wastage of your concern. Because you can only add something to someone else's life if they are allowing that to be added up within themselves, into their life. If they are welcoming some positive changes in their life, the very first step has to be from them. You can, yes, in the background, before taking that first step, you can always show them a bigger picture of what to expect. But then moving on to those steps, no matter how big or small, the decision has to be from them. They have to take the decision, not you. Alright? So first lesson is, leave people where they are at if they are not allowing themselves to move on. And you know what? There is also one other aspect added to it. Those who are not welcoming some changes in their life, those are the first few people who are going to drag you down as well. Who are just pushing you away from your focus. So if you have to be focused on something you are aiming at, and if you really want to be on track on whatever you have to achieve in life, make sure to just be as much away from these people as you can. Second, accept the situations for what they are. Accept the situations for what they are. Do not overthink. Overthinking is not required everywhere. For that matter, overthinking is not required at all. Rational thinking is required everywhere, but during that rational thinking, you have to make it a point to know when that rational thinking has crossed that line and you have now started to overthink a situation. Until and unless you will know the real situation, you should not even think of anything that you presume it to be, you believe it to be. Because the reality is only the real situation that is there. So accept the real situation, not the one that you think it is, but for what it actually is. Okay? And the third one, to realize that not every action needs a reaction. There is a power in silence as well. And I have learned this a very hard way, that you might think that you speaking up on a topic, on a topic of argument, on a topic of debate with someone, helping them understand your situation and giving them a clearer picture of the actual and real situation. Again, it's up to them as well to accept that, to even listen to what you are saying. Because if the person is really listening to, then only the communication is going to happen. Because as we all know, communication is a two-way process. You are speaking and the other one is not either responding, nor he or she is interested in listening to what you are saying. So what the end result is going to be? The end result is going to be a wastage of your time, wastage of your energy, wastage of your taking the chances of helping the other person seeing the reality. Okay, you might be wrong. Even in those situations, the only thing that could help is a conversation. But still, I always say this, a conversation can only happen if the two people are willing to have a conversation. There is no point in fighting out on specific points, right? Conversations means being calm and be in a relaxed state of mind so that you can say, look up to the situation in a rational way. But then if you are not able to do that, how on earth can you even think of having a conversation? It's not a communication, it's not a conversation at all. It's only going to ruin everything that's beautiful between the two of you. Alright? So, I always say this to everyone, that not every action needs a reaction. I have realized this in my life, and I hope that you all would realize these 3 important lessons in your life as well. So what are the 3 lessons? Leave people where they are at, accept situations for what they are, and realize that not every action needs a reaction. With this, I'll sign off for now. See you in the next episode. Hope you are enjoying my podcast episodes. I am going to receive so many feedbacks and conversation calls from you all. I know that. I'm so looking forward to it. So please go on that description box, check out the link, share your voice message with me, share your feedbacks over DMs with me. All the links, and I mean all the links of Facebook, of Insta, of LinkedIn, every link is in the description, and I can't wait for you to actually connect with me and have a real conversation with the real person that Neha Bajaj is. So I again invite you and I welcome you in my world of self-love lifestyle, and I hope you have a great stay, and I hope you have an amazing learning sessions with me now and in future. With that, stay blessed, stay happy, and stay self-loved. Bye-bye.